Applejack. I let Woodpecker run then. I let Woodpecker run. Now I'm cutting that Kelvin radio on. Hey, Applejack, I let Woodpecker jump out there, but I'm cutting the damn radio off. I'm cutting his neck. He can't hit that tree no damn more. Hey, Applejack, I see you in West Palm Beach, DX90 car. Hey, DX, Grease Monkey 616 in a Bayou Country waving break.
25. He got about 15.
Hey, DX, Monkey gone.
In a mud dog. Hello, 319, man.
You cut that Applejack ready off too. Did you say you cut the Applejack neck off too? Hey, shot shooting in the bound. DX how to go.
Right back 319. What I'm running a real station.
Good evening, sharpshooter. I'm gonna try to relay that to you, man. How about a sharpshooter, big man? If you got a copy, Jimmy Swagger.
Them mud ducks run hard. Hey, 391, Woody got down.
Woodward, tell him 212 his homeboy say hello. Woodward, tell my ex-homeboy 212 in New Orleans say hello. 212 gone.
Hey, 319. They used to say but it ain't fair for a joke to come out here with 620. Real bird wants to be busting a man upside the head running 10,000. Put it on you later, 319. Woody Woodpecker getting on down.
Hey, DS. Grease Monkey 616 waving out the Bayou Country break.
Yeah, who is that calling Jimmy in New Orleans there? Hello, in the back. Who's that calling Jimmy Swagger out to Cadmick in New Orleans Swamp Subway?
Hey, Jimmy. Grease Monkey 616. Grease Monkey break.
Yeah, right back, Monkey. Cadmick, I'm always reading the mail on you, Cadmick. Good evening to you, man. I don't know if you in the base or you on the mobile. Good evening to you, Monkey. Hey, Grease Monkey, Jimmy Swagger, Monkey.
You say hello right back.
Roger that, Jimmy Swagger. I'm on the base station, man. I'm on this 4-element V-Quad. Hey, Jimmy. I ain't nothing to be reading the mail about, man. I'm just a funky, dirty, greasy, itchy foot monkeys. Hey, Jimmy. That's all a monkey is. I'm just a monkey with a smile on his face there, baby.
Okay, nigga, I was calling you a while ago. When I was looking up that way, you couldn't hear me on that end, shooter. Hey, shooter, but you want me to pass them 10-5s to old monkey. You said monkey ain't got enough on that end there, 410.
So big and cockeyed, he can stand in the front yard and count the chicken in the backyard, and I got it running hard. Hey, 319, count DX90.
Hey, Swagger, what does he know that the monkey got if I ain't got enough? Swagger, Grease Monkey, break.
I can't tell if that cat nigga's talking to me or who he's talking to on that end, man. Hey, monkey, I don't know what the hell sharpshooter got on his cat nigga menu there, 410.
Ain't no telling. As long as it ain't no goddamn monkey meat, we alright. Hey, Swagger, as long as it ain't got no goddamn monkey meat on that menu, we'll be doing alright. Jimmy Swagger, Grease Monkey, Bayou Country, break.
Yeah, Roger on that. You said as long as there ain't no monkey meat on the menu, we gonna be doing just fine on that end. Ain't no damn thing about it, cat nigga. Hey, Grease Monkey, cat nigga, what's good over there, man? What's been the deal there going down, Blake?
Ain't nothing been going to deal, man. It's a little hot, it's stinky, a little funky over here in the Bayou Country, man. Ain't nothing much going on. We just trying to do a little bit of radio thing, a little radio popping. And ain't much really going on, brother. Just trying to be lazy today. It's Sunday. We being lazy there, babe.
What you trying to do? Hey, you independent and Democrat, what y'all gonna do about that Republican?
All I'm doing is leaning back waiting on the parts to come in the cat nigga mailbox, that's for sure, man. I'm done doing what I was gonna do today, cat nigga. I had about 4 hours in that cat nigga, and I'm done now. Now I'm gonna play radio and I'm gonna lean back too like you, monkey there, break.
410, yeah, I gotta go back. I was building me a little 500 amp power supply. I was messing with that yesterday. I'm building a little, I'm calling it wall art. I ain't putting it in a box. I'm hanging on the wall. Wall of wires gonna be exposed. Everything's gonna be exposed. I'm tired of working on a goddamn power supply. You gotta open the box and you ain't got room. I'm gonna mount this goddamn thing on the wall. Hey, Jimmy Swagger, Grease Monkey 616, bye.
On that end. Go on and get the power supply right. Take your time, cat nigga. Take your time and put it together right, Cat Maker. Do it once. Measure twice and cut once. That was my thing, the 410.
I thought it was cut twice, measure once. Hey Jimmy, I thought it was cut twice, 3, 4 times, and measure once. That break.
But 319, I'm gonna go and let DX90 use his radio, man. He gonna blow that old goat.
Them boys sitting there, they talking in between the keys. Hey, Grease Monkey. Them Cat Makers out there around you, man. Them boys is talking in between the keys. I'm sitting here listening to them talk in between the keys. They're 410.
410 with them talking in between keys. Hey Jimmy, I got a water gate running on YouTube live right now. 616 Grease Monkey BYU. Hey Jimmy, Monkey with this water gate rolling. You said them boys are talking in between keys. Monkey, bye. That's 212 right there. That's a big boy right there, Jimmy. Monkey gone. Hold up, wait a minute. I couldn't make out nothing. Lord have mercy. Grease Monkey sitting back for a second reading this, man. It was rough that time, that break. Right there, right, 212.
Listen, I'm coming around with my...
And I heard Jimmy Swagger, talking about I'm talking in between his keys. I ain't talking in between his keys.
That's a big boss. That's my co-act cable right there. Else they lying. Oh, Woodpecker on these 625 birds got down.
That big boy's out there now. 212's out there now. There's a big boy out there now. Monkey gotta run. Monkey gotta go. Monkey gotta go. Grease Monkey gotta go with these little bitty wives. Bye-bye. Right there. Yeah, I went to the smaller room in the house there. I went to the fridge there and got me another cold beer there. And now I went on the way back. I told the beer back in the
He can't get past it. I got 1,000 words for
Jimmy Swagger said, well, I heard somebody say DX not talking in between keys. I'm not talking in between keys, because I wasn't on the radio. I was listening to that talk show. Hello, 212 DX90, Sam Powell, stay by. Hey, DX, he ain't never said your name. Hey, DX, he just said some boys out there talking in between keys. He said the boys down around me. That's what he said. He didn't say you. Hey, DX. Monkey said he didn't say you. DX, Monkey, bye-bye. Hey, 212, they don't know me. They don't know who I really am. They don't know my real hound on that end. And I'm an old school. I am a old school rooster challenge jumper. So they don't know who they messing with. Now, I can put it out there, put my neck out there online, and hold it. And I can do what the hell I want to do when I get ready to do it. At 212, I'm an old school rooster challenge jumper. Just call 747 Mr. Fugitive, DX90. Yeah, I call myself DX90 now, because they don't know who Fugitive is.
20,000 BTU unit trying to cool that cop, making old ghost right out. Hello, Painkiller. Hey, Painkiller. Hello, my friend. How you doing? See, I got that boy running so cotton picking hard. I got her. I'm gonna go back to it. Y'all check it out on JD's Watergate. I'm going back. That's a 1,000 watt slug right there. That's my coax cable right there. That's my MLA 25.
You don't need to play it. I don't need to know the weather. I do not need to know the weather. If you want to play it, you can play it, but I do not need to know the weather. But DX90 Fugitive 747 in a red truck. I am old school Rooster Challenge Jumper, DX90 go.
Yeah, I remember the Rooster Challenge Jumpers, man. That's so cool, man. Hey, DX. You lighten up this whole goddamn SDR, man. Hey, DX, Grease Monkey, Bayou Country, baby.
I'm gonna jump off the key. I'm gonna jump off the key. I'm gonna jump it off the key and let you find out who it was. And then they gonna be,
Talking between keys, but he got about 15,000 watts out there right now. I don't want to embarrass him, but if I embarrass him, that was on this break this weekend. This upcoming weekend. If I embarrass him, he ain't gonna want to come to the upcoming break.
one of my old school compadre. My old school compadre. At 212, my old school compadre. DX90 go.
The monkey is gone.
212. I'm half mast. I'm quarter mast. I'm quarter mast. I ain't half mast, not yet. I'm quarter mast. I'm not half mast. I'm not half mast. I'm quarter mast. I don't want to pump up.
Right back, Applejack, Mother Nature dipping and diving. I don't know what happened to train travel, but I heard you say, here come that black Republican. Hello, Applejack, Mr. Woody Woodpecker, saying that rock and roll.
Hey, Woody Woodpecker, you 616 Grease Monkey in the Bayou Country. How about your Woody Woodpecker? Grease Monkey in the Bayou Country, baby.
Toodaloo. I can pump up when I get ready. I don't want nobody to hate my guts when I pump up inside Dustin Bridge. I want somebody.
No copy on Woody Woodpecker. Grease Monkey gone.
Hey, Donald Trump. Hey, Applejack, the only black Republican you got me rolling. Mar-a-Lago is on his way right around the corner. I'm about 2.5 miles away from Mar-a-Lago, and I can't stand your cotton-picking boss, man. Hello, Applejack. Oh, Woody Woodpecker got down.
Hey, Woody Woodpecker, what about that Grease Monkey? Woody Woodpecker, what about that monkey? What about that Grease Monkey? Hey, Woody Woodpecker, what about that Grease Monkey, baby?
Switchblade, you know what I'm saying about that between you and I. Bye.
I tell you what, we gonna roll out. We gonna roll out a roasting grill, cause if that cotton-picking pedophile come to the dump bucket, if that pedophile come to the 2026 break, you ain't gonna have to worry about that ducky broken mo. Him and Marco Rubio and Rick Scott. You ain't never gonna have to worry about him. The only thing we need to go get there is them other 3 or 4 coons. Put it on you later. Applejack, go Woody Woodpecker in Florida. Stop laughing. I'll see you.
I'll be on my John Deere tractor, still call me. I tell you what, if you come down later this week, I'll take all of it. If you come down this week, you call me. If you come down this week, you call me. If you come down this week, call me. I'll take all of it early.
Good evening, time. Switchblade. Oh, man. 1-800 on the Sapphire. Got down. Switchblade, see you Tuesday.
Hey, Blade.
Is a 0-100 DX, I say not night.
Hey, DX. You got my goddamn, you about to blow up my SDR over here. Hey, DX. You about to blow up the monkey's SDR over here. Grease Monkey Bayou Country. Gone.
Sorry, Grease. Hey, Grease. Hey, Grease Monkey, I didn't mean to do that. Hey, Grease Monkey, I didn't mean to do that. But I heard Switchblade talking to 800 there. on, cut his damn radio slap to the left on it there. But grease, I put grease on that boy radio.
You got my SDR lifting up from channel to channel, man. You got the whole static floor raising up. Hey, DX, I don't know what you're doing, but you got the whole SDR stood up, and it's live on YouTube. 616 Grease Monkey BYU. Hey, DX, take care with your bad self, Monkey. Bayou Country go.
I ain't bad. The bad just on me. I'm not a bad man. I'm not a bad man son. But I don't give a damn about the bad man. I can hold his mother down till the bad man come. You get down, DX, down to San Paulo, back out.
410 DX. Think it was DX9, DX9, I can't remember which one it was. But I'm gonna call you DX. You gotta hammer down. You gonna see, if you go look at this water gate, Lord have mercy. I might go do a separate gate for you. I'll do a separate video for you. Hey DX, and I'll post it on JD's. Hey DX, take care, Grease Monkey. 616, funky, dirty, greasy, itchy foot monkey, bottom side, Bayou Country. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. 616. Thank you, sir. Put it up, put it there. Cause I ain't the man the best with. I don't key that much. I'll be out there on my sugar mine working at John Deere Tractor, and I'll be out there listening to radio 7 days a week there. And I do not be trying to key on nobody. I be on my barefoot radio in my big black truck. I be on my barefoot radio and on my John Deere Tractor. When I come home, I just want to have a little fun. DX out of San Paulo, getting on gone.
410, would you be on your barefoot radio on your John Deere Tractor, barefoot radio on your truck, and when you want to come home, we want to have a little fun. Ain't nothing wrong with having a little fun. It puts a smile on your face, just like the monkey got a smile on his face. Go on with your big bad self, DX over there in the San Paulo. Monkey, keying down one more time. I'm gone. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna bite this cabin yak more down. Let me reach over here and turn the yak down. Look at that. 212, I'm gonna turn the yak down. I'm turning the yak down. I'm turning the yak down. Turn the yak down. Turn the yak down. Turn the yak down. DX not turn the yak down. Look at there. 212. DX not turn the yak down right there. They might be dusting my bridge, but I don't give a damn. DX not go.
You might as well turn it down over there. But there ain't no change over here. Yeah, now the 212 say you might have turned it down over there, but it never changed over here. You didn't miss a beat, I see it.
Bye 212. Bye 212. Bye 212. Bye. I'm gonna call it quits for the night. DX, let it go.
You had fun, DX. See you.
See you. 212, I see you. At night, you're world class, but to get down, DX, Deal Center County. And I got down in my hometown, DX, let it go.
Hello, Applejack. Go, Woody got down.
And I had chat radio, you didn't talk to me, sir. Bye, DX9. Monkey is gone.
Thank you, 212. Thank you. I love you for that, and love to the family. You're world class. DX9 and DX Center County, blackout.
Ain't no kind of big strain. I got big 212. He going back and forth with DX90. I can't tell him what he hear in his radio, but I know what you don't hear, yo. And I keep telling you right now, I got that dumb-looking DX90 running so hard, he got a 20,000 BTU unit trying to cool them 23CX 3000. Hey, Applejack, I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Keep on to keep it on. I'm just trying to wave on a low side. I ain't trying to hurt no one. I'm right back. Great bye.
to the noodle where damn you're dead. DX90 go.
Hey, Applejack, are you gonna come down one more time there, buddy? The monkey is gone.
Applejack. Blood pressure messing with you. DX90 go.
I'll see you. Bye.
You ain't gonna run that hard, DX monkey gone. You ain't gonna run that hard, DX. You ain't gonna run that hard, grease monkey gone.
They kept me like to fill out. They kept me like to fill out there. And I had to kill water over there and put it on his forehead there. So I want him to bring the damn medicine with him. I want him to bring the crazy feel with him, cause I'm not gonna give him CPR. Alright.
Yeah, I'll be there, my friend. You know I will. Lord have mercy, man. You have to do all that. You ain't have to do all that. You ain't have to do it like that. But I appreciate my brother right back.
I see you. I'm not gonna kiss another man. I kiss another woman, and I'm particular about kissing another woman. I don't like kissing women either. It's your damn well I ain't kissing a damn man. DX90 go.
You're not gonna act all surprised like last time. You ain't gonna look at me and say, hell no, that's MO.
6 3/4. Click, click.
Southern California, you take over my radio, no doubt about it. Keep it on low and bless my brother. Hey, well, I believe, hey, you know, low side. Hey, you know, sir, Jesus,
Run these boys crazy. I'm just saying.
Go. Grease monkey gone.
Hey, 212. Do me a little small favor. 212, if you would, do me a little small favor. Tell 229 you need to go down the hallway and bake that banana pudding first thing in the morning. DX Santa go.
See, now the grease mug is all excited about that. Now grease mug is all excited about the banana pudding. See, that's what I'm talking about. I want some of that banana pudding. Grease monkey gone.
Banana pudding in the morning, DX Santa go.
I had to one more time with this. Quick.
I guess I might have to put my foot down. I don't want to put my foot down on... you better leave my damn socks alone. Get out of here. Tell, Hey, babe. Hey, good babe. Hey, babe, but I ain't no fighter, but I ain't scared either. Hey, babe, I ain't no fighter, but I ain't scared either. I'm 229, take care of it, brother. Hey, sweet babe. I'm 229, saying,
Hey, 229. You make a lot of noise on the Grease Monkey's radio. Hey, 229. Monkey in the Bayou Country Wave.
Hey, Monkey in the Bayou Country, I didn't mean to make all that noise, man. I was trying to get back to my friend, Ray. But I'm gonna get on out of here. It's about that time for me to go. I'm going to watch the Bluetooth for a little bit, but I'll be coming back later. Oh, Monkey. See you.
Bye, 229, take care. You got a hammer down right now, brother. Mother Nature's putting you in right in my damn neighborhood. Sure is. Hey, 229, just bumping it down, waving my hand real quick. 229, funky, dirty, greasy, itchy for monkey. By the side, Bayou Country. So you got that hammer down, monkey. We on.
I'm talking to my radio, so Monkey, what's that tell you? I am talking to my radio, and that's who I'm talking to. Take care of. I can put it on your line, and I'm finna drop the mic. Appreciate you getting back to me. Now I'm here, dog. Somebody hear me. Drink about
410, 220, I hope I didn't smash your thumb, brother. And I do have it on the live Watergate 616 Grease Monkey BYU on YouTube. Take it, 229, Monkey, I'm gone. You know what, man, so I ain't gonna choke him out. I ain't gonna choke that guy, because no doubt about it, man. Boy, I tell you what, though, I know you put a smile on his face. I know you put a smile on his face, calling my name and his name at the same time, no doubt about it. Hey, Switchblade, keep on, my friend. You got them all down in Southwest Florida. Hey, Switchblade, I'll see you. Bye.
Hey, Switchblade, I hear Jerry's way. Hey, Switchblade, I can hear the boy talk to you. Hey, Switchblade, I can hear the boy talk to you when I come in. Switchblade, cut it out, Switchblade. I'm gonna call your brother on you. Switchblade, DX, I'm gonna call your brother on you.
No matter where I'm at, Captain, you put a hammer down. Good job, T, my friend. We'll watch Switchblade. I'm getting on down. I'll see you. I can hear him too. Monkey can hear him too, that break.
410 Mike. 410 Mike. He told him the switchblade. I can hear Jimmy Swagger. Jimmy Swagger about 150 miles north of me.
410. You hear that boy's backscatter from the whatchamacallit. But I hear Switchblade too. When Switchblade keys up, I can hear him and see him on the FDR, that breaker.
That's the reason I want a switchblade driver. That's the reason I want a switchblade driver. That's the reason I want a switchblade driver where I can put in behind the Ghost Rider.
Well, I can guarantee it's not the driver. Hey, DX, I can guarantee it's not the driver that break.
Okay, it's Mother Nature. It's Mother Nature, is that what you're trying to tell me?
It's Mother Nature, but it's the big box. It's the big box. It ain't the driver, it's the big box that break.
Hey, I done had the big box over 30 years. I done had the Ghost Rider over 30 years. I am the original owner of the Ghost Rider. I am the original owner of the Ghost Rider, and I had it over 30 years.
So when we look up the CB equipment the Carfax report, the CB fax report, we're gonna see that you're the one and only owner that break.
That's what I got. I am, like I say, I'm the original owner. I'm the original owner of this Ghost Rider Special there. It look like a refrigerator.
410, you said it look like a refrigerator. 410 on that one. One day I might be a big boy. ATX. One day maybe I'll be a big boy and I'll graduate that baby.
Hey, man, I'm coming in the early days. I had $1 in my pocket then, so I spend it.
410, you came up in the early days, you had some money, so you decided you're gonna spend it. I'm only spending so much. I might upgrade some more. I like playing around with antennas. I got this 4-element monkey design and Delta Loop V-Quad up about 25 feet up in there. I like playing with different antennas. I like playing in the software, designing them, and I like building them. That's what the monkey likes to do. ADX, Grease Monkey, bye-bye.
You need to build me a 6-element. I'm asking you to build me a 6-element. Build me a 6-element. And I need you to build me a 6-element. Look me up at director and text me and let me know that's you.
What's your number? What's your phone number that break?
772-216-6940. 772-216-6940.
Somebody was called Painkiller. Hold it right back to you. I just sent you a quick call, so it was in my phone. I'm about to say it right now.
I got my phone dead right now. I got it on charge. I gotta go in there. I got it right here. I got it on charge right now. I'm looking at it. I got it on charge because my phone was dead. I'm looking at it right now.
410, I'm gonna send you a text. Real quick so you can lock it in that break. Hey, say right back to you, my friend. Hello, Painkiller and a Magnolia. Sounding good, looking good down here in Southwest Florida. I'm right back. Come on down.
If you try to call me right now, my phone still dead. I'm looking for the light up.
Yeah, I appreciate that, my friend. I sure do, man. Especially coming from you. Hey, Painkiller, I appreciate that, especially coming from you. No doubt about it. Keep on and keep it on. Hey, Nancy, keep that hammer down. Keep the name alive. Hey, Worldwide Painkiller. Keep it down. I'm right back.
I heard you too. I keep it in mind. DX not getting on down.
DX Blanket, I just sent you a text. Take care, DX Monkey. Bye-bye.
Tulu.
I sent you a text here. Mullet H fell down a little bit. ADX.
text. Mother Nature fell down a little bit. I just sent you a text whenever your phone's back up and rolling. Bye-bye.
Hey, Painkiller Sam Brown, you be cool on that stool. Can we do it again? Painkiller Sam Magnolia. With the wave get down, I see you.
Right back, Painkiller on the bomb side. Right back, my friend. Do it again, my friend. Hope to see you real soon, man. I don't know if you get down to the break over there at West Palm Beach. No doubt about it. I'd like to put my hand to yours. Roll out, Painkiller. You know what I'm doing down here in the sunshine. I'll see you.
What's up? I told him about the water. How long, 212 on 229, you still plug it in, man. Let me go right back in my gang. Solid me. Hey, 229, you plugging the monkey's ears, monkey gone. By 229, I'm sitting back in an easy chair. I'm looking at this FDR and I'm like, Lord have mercy, 229, monkey gone. Yeah, monkey gone. The grease monkey gone. Then they changed the one I told them to change. Then they changed the one I told them to change, but they don't want to change that. What up, fella?
Hello, 212. Hey, 212, Swampweed, Everglades, bro.
You're a good guy, my friend. Have a good night. Have a good rest of your weekend.
I need to do something. I need to come right now, right back to the sea. Swampweed, I'll be back.
410, 212, just want to say good afternoon to you, top of the evening to you. You're sounding wonderful. 212, Swampweed, Everglades is reading the mail.
Hey, Swampweed, 616 Monkey Wave, break. Thank you, you thought you was something bad, man. Okay, Swampweed, glad to hear you out there doing your thing. Hey, Swampweed, 212, and I need to take somebody out because I know I don't need all this. Swampweed, 212, getting that.
And out of 10, Roger, right on 212, mighty fine. Top of the evening to you, big brother, just waving a hand while I'm passing through. 8212, Swampweed, Everglades, cruising blue, I'm gone now.
Swampweed, boy, you blowing smoke down around New Orleans. Grease monkey butter started by your country. Swampweed, monkey, break. Swampweed, 616, break. Swampweed, that's a true story. I see you.
And not a true story. 8212, that's a true story. Take it easy, my friend. 8212, Swampweed, Everglades, said bye-bye now.
Alright, Swampweed. Overall, man, it's always my pleasure, man. Let's see, my birthday is on the 23rd of this month, and I'll be 76 years old. So, I got a lot of true stories to tell. That's why it's one reason why I changed my house to true story. And another one is I'm getting brain for a fellow doing all kinds of 10-5 going sell 212 in Alabama. And they think that's me running all them bulls fine. Hey, Swampweed, I hope you got the point. 212, want to be known as true story, get no doubt.
And out of 10, Roger, right on, true story, okay, mighty fine. I keyed one last time to let you know I got it all. 8212, 35 years in Florida, ain't nothing changed. 8212, Swampweed on the power, said bye-bye now.
Hey, 212, DX, I'm 74 years old. 212, DX, I'm 74 years old. JP right there, I got down. JP, I got down. Obviously, Swampweed on key until you got 60 dB gain. And I am 74 years old right now. My next birthday, I'll be 75. DX, let it go. Be 75 next birthday, 12, out the door, 212. Going out the door. Tell the swamp we good top of the night, DX, let it go. Big Alpha DX, I say you walking to the mail on the end. Brown and Big Alpha DX, that is Power, blackout. $2.50 Indiana, $2.50 is nice to put my hands in a money man hand on the end. $2.50. I ain't got no but $1. Always try to put $1 on top of $1. Always try to put $1 on top of $1 there where I can get more dollars on it end. That's my goal on it end. DX not getting dollars. $2. I got $1, and then we'll put dollars on top of $1. We got $5 and keep on trucking. And I heard you $2.50. I'm watching on the Yakimo. I'm watching on the FT101E. Let me get my dog. Hey. Cut that out. My dog trying to be nosy right now, DX, let it go. Hey, Red Devil, hey, bluegrass, DX, trying to get down in the grass. Good night. Don't let the bed bug bite on the end. I'm trying to ease across this hallway and get in my big old bed there where I can get up in the morning there and get up on John Deere trailer and talk shit off on John Deere trailer. DX, let it go. Rolling back this show down. I'll kill my ass, man. I'll kill my ass, man. If y'all leave me alone, don't call my name, I go to bed. Right there, right, dog. Hey, dog, they keep on calling my name, I can't put the mic down. They keep calling my name, I cannot put the mic down. My dog came in here and bit me on the ankle there and tried to pull me across the hallway there, but every time somebody call my name, I got to squeeze the Sherman again. Right, JoJo. I got everybody calling me. I got everybody all across the country, up north there calling me. JoJo, Alabama, DX90, 756, what's going on in Alabama, huh? I damn sure got a cold beer. I damn sure got a cold beer. I'm trying to drink it down where I can get in the bed and then go to work in the morning. I damn sure got a cold, ice cold Pacifico. DX90 getting up. Ain't nothing wrong with drinking a Budweiser. And I'm gonna try to drink mine and get my ass up out of this man cave and get on across this hallway, cause my dog done come back in here, try to pull me out again. Bye, Jojo. Bye, Jojo. Alabama, DX90 sample. Back out with the lights right. And oh, the girls stay up all night. DX90 sample. Blackout. Turn the radio down. Go I hear the boss in my radio. Plug my ear. I gotta get out of here. The boss himself out talking now. DX on the Barefoot Radio. I'm gone, Bulldog. Bulldog, you might not believe it. You might not believe it. Bulldog, I want a Barefoot Radio. I want a Barefoot Radio. 5 element, horizontal side. 5 element, vertical side. 5 element, DX down on the Yazoo. I tweet these me. Hey, dog. I tweet these me. I tweet these me. I'm thinking put Minnesota Sixers up. I'm thinking put Minnesota Sixers up. But I tweet these me here. These 5 elements been tweaked by DX90.
YouTube everywhere. What the niggas at? Niggas at? Everybody get along.
Right there. Big old Bulldog, DX90. We gotta get out of here. Cause my dog's looking at me and he was not here. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? He's looking at me right now. About 2 feet on, 2 feet on the ground there, and there. Take care of me. Your microphone down outside, thank you. By the house on a small antenna, hold that. You chopping real bad though. I got the water gate running, you get it. Frank, get up. I got the water gate running, and you chopping up a little bit. That's all down.